What's up guys, and it's all here. The Samsung Galaxy S22 series in full glory with S22 Ultra, S22 and S22 Plus hands-on prototype dummy models are here. That was a lot to say. Yes, these are not the actual working devices, but still very close to the final deal, and they still show what to expect from this upcoming flagship series. We've got the devices leaked in both black and white models and even a hands-on image of the S22. And once again, all this pretty much confirms what we have heard already. This is actually the first time we're seeing all these models side by side, showing us the size differences and the shape. So the Galaxy S22 Ultra looks noticeably bigger than the S22 Plus, as it should be, because this time the S22 Plus is down to 6.5 inches from 6.7 inches of last year's S21 Plus. Samsung also slightly reduced the size of the Galaxy S22, which is now coming at 6.06 inches, making it look noticeably smaller than the S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra. This is going to be Samsung's best modern compact flagship for an epic one-handed experience. In fact, the separate hands-on shot of the Galaxy S22 really shows how handy this will be in real life. Samsung is bringing an entirely new 50 megapixel main camera with an entirely new zoom lens for the S22 and S22 Plus, and combined with the latest hardware and the $799 starting price, the S22 looks like a solid 2022 flagship smartphone. Now in terms of the material, interestingly, these dummy models are showing off a glossy back for the S22 and S22 Plus, which may not be true because, as we know, Samsung is bringing a plastic back for the S22/S22 Plus with a matte texture finish similar to the S21 from last year. I don't think any of the Galaxy S22 model will have a glossy back. Also, thankfully, no P-shaped camera. You can see that we have the camera lenses similar to how we have seen in the renders, and they look much better. Let me know what you think about the size differences and the overall final design look of all these models in the comment section below. Also, Samsung confirmed the model numbers for all Galaxy S22 models recently officially on their website, so this pretty much confirms that 3 models are coming in the S22 lineup in case anyone had doubt. Speaking of confirming things, the S22 series is not the only thing that Samsung has confirmed. In fact, they actually confirmed all models of Galaxy Tab S8 lineup according to this leak from the web. So you can see the Tab S8, S8 Plus and S8 Ultra are all confirmed with both Wi-Fi and SIM connectivity model configurations. Samsung is set to bring the Galaxy Tab S8 series along with the S21 FE in January of 2022, whereas the S22 lineup will get officially announced in early/mid February. As of now, we know pretty much everything regarding the S22 series. The only thing left to be seen is the Exynos 2200 with the AMD GPU. So that's all the news for today. Let me know what's your favorite S22 model out of the whole Galaxy S22 lineup, and with that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.